Gonna do a quick walk through the Lake Wales Bowl and Entertainment Place. It's like it has an arcade in here. I walked around here a little bit before. Some of the games don't look like they're operational at the moment. Like it's not even attached to the string. That would have been cool. I don't need any more toys and stuff. Show you around a little bit. Mainly around the arcade part, where I'm mostly interested in showing you. Show you some of the different ones. More of an old school. Oh, there's a Justice arcade. That'd be cool. Oh, Terminator Salvation. Never seen these when I was a kid. These are always cool. That Jurassic Park ride, it's like a little movie theater, or not ride, but game. I always wanted to buy, I always thought if I ever get a lot of money, I'm going to buy one of those arcade games. They're huge, but I never have enough money to buy those, and I'm sure they're very expensive. But I'd play that thing all the darn time. That is really cool. Arcade's always very colorful. Oh, here, look, here's an old school pinball machine. Star Wars. There's a hurricane simulator over there. They also serve food here, too. They have a little restaurant here. Okay, cool. There's this one. Snow Day. I wonder if it actually shoots out snow. Probably not. A little place to sit. Looks like they have some live music there sometimes. Midnight Bowl Lounge. Okay. Arcade games. There's another one of those, like, they remind me of like a little, these things always remind me of like a little movie theater. Like I said, if I ever had the money, I would have bought one of these. I'm doing a Star Trek Voyager one. Look at that. Have like a little zombie in there. That is cool effect. I remember playing a Star Trek Voyager one back in the early 2000s. Of course, there's like Jurassic Park one, The Walking Dead. One day, who knows? I mean, I'll get enough money to buy one of these things. So I would play them all the time. I bet you could actually hook up where you actually watch movies in there too. So they have a little restaurant there. They have a bathroom. Oh, back there is a bowling alley, which I'm not going to probably go back there. I mainly want to show you the arcade games. Oh, that's probably the place over around the corner where you can exchange the tickets for like prizes, I bet. Yep. Let's go around here first. Well, these are cool. This here, I seen one of these at Disney. It takes your picture and you can print it off in like a comic book cover. I did that at the one arcade at one of the Disney resorts. I actually filmed it. I think I put that up. I don't know. But that was actually pretty darn cool. Cool souvenir. Ice cream vending machine. So they have a different amount of stuff here, like a little lounge over there, a little restaurant, bowling alley, the arcade. I have a place called Strikes. We get some food at. So yeah, a lot of different stuff. No outside food and drink. Let's peer into this Jurassic Park thing. This is what I really want to show you now. Look at this thing. This thing's cool. These seats, and it really is like almost like a little movie theater, in my opinion. And here at the mall across the aisle from here, they actually have a movie theater. Cool. It's bigger than I thought. Let's see. Here's the back of that lounge. So they must have the live music. This place is bigger than I thought in here. They have a room back there for stuff. And look, they have free wine for the ladies from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. And live music 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. Okay. I've never bowled in my life. I'm never going to. This is the bowling alley part. There's actually not anyone here. It looks like there's some bounce houses back there for the kids. And there's the movie theater across from it. Just a little walkthrough. I didn't go in really in that bar/restaurant they have in there, but I showed it to you a little bit from the door. But yeah, that's just a little walkthrough of that place. You know, if you're in the area and you like arcade stuff and bowling, that's the place to go.